Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Owning a car in 2025 is more than just hitting the open road, it's about responsibility and preparedness. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, having the right documents on hand is crucial to avoid legal trouble, hefty fines, or unexpected hassles. The Motor Vehicles Act and evolving regulations worldwide emphasize the importance of carrying specific paperwork to ensure compliance, safety, and peace of mind. This guide outlines the must-have documents every car owner should carry in 2025, explaining why each is vital and how to keep them organized, physically or digitally, for a seamless driving experience. Driver's license, your key to the road. Your driver's license is the cornerstone of legal driving. It's not just an ID, it's proof that you're qualified to operate a vehicle. In 2025, authorities globally, from the US to India, require you to carry a valid license at all times while driving. Failing to present one during a traffic stop can lead to fines, vehicle impoundment, or even license suspension. Driving without a valid license in the US is a serious offense, with penalties ranging from $100 to $1,000 in fines and up to 6 months in jail, especially for repeat or accident-related cases. Ensure your license is up to date, not expired, and matches the vehicle type you're driving. For international trips, an international driving permit may be necessary, especially in countries like Spain or Australia. Keep it in your wallet for easy access, but never leave it in the car to avoid theft risks. Vehicle Registration Certificate, proof of ownership. The Vehicle Registration Certificate, RC, or V5C in the UK, is your car's official identity card. It verifies that the vehicle is legally registered in your name and includes details like the registration number, chassis number, and owner's address. In 2025, carrying the RC is mandatory in countries like India, where it must be presented within 7 days of purchasing a new car. Not having it can result in fines ranging from $100 to $300. In the US, registration documents prove your car is street legal and help authorities confirm it's not stolen. Store a physical or digital copy in apps like DigiLocker, India, or on your phone, but keep the original safe at home to prevent misuse if your car is stolen. Proof of insurance, your financial safety net. Car insurance is a legal requirement in most countries, and proof of coverage is a must-carry document in 2025. Whether it's liability insurance required in the US or full coverage, your insurance policy protects you from financial responsibility in case of an accident. In the US, nearly every state requires drivers to show proof during traffic stops or post-accident. Digital copies are widely accepted in places like the US and UK, but in some regions, a physical copy in your glove box is safer, as not all authorities recognize electronic versions. In the US, driving without valid insurance can result in a fine of around $200 for a first offense, increasing to $400 or more for repeat violations, depending on the state. Regularly check your policy's validity to avoid lapses that could nullify claims or invite penalties. Pollution Under Control Certificate, driving green. With stricter environmental regulations in place, many U.S. states now require a valid emissions test certificate to legally operate a vehicle in 2025. This document certifies that your vehicle's emissions meet legal standards, reducing your environmental footprint. Obtained through tests at authorized centers, often petrol pumps, a PUC certificate is valid for 6 months after the first year of a new car's life. If you're caught without your license, you could be fined up to $250, depending on your state. While not required in the U.S. states, some regions with strict emissions laws, like California, may demand similar documentation. Keep your PUC certificate handy to breeze through roadside checks and contribute to cleaner air. Owner's Manual and Emergency Contacts, Preparedness on the go. While not legally required, your car's owner's manual is a practical document to keep in 2025. It's your vehicle's Bible, guiding you through dashboard warnings, tire changes, or breakdowns, especially in areas with poor cell service. Pair it with a list of emergency contacts, including family, insurance agents, and roadside assistance, for quick access during crises. In accidents, these documents can help responders identify you and your vehicle, ensuring swift action. Store them in your glove box or digitally on your phone, but avoid leaving sensitive personal details in the car to deter identity theft. Digital storage, the future of document management. In 2025, technology simplifies document management. In the US, apps like Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, and state-specific DMP apps allow you to store digital versions of your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance, which are legally accepted in some states by authorities. In the US, many states permit digital proof of insurance, reducing the need for paper clutter. However, ensure these apps are government-approved, and download copies for offline access in case of poor internet connectivity. Digital storage minimizes the risk of losing originals and keeps your glove box tidy, but always verify local laws, as some regions may still demand physical copies. Documents to leave at home, protecting your identity. Not all documents belong in your car. In 2025, experts advise against storing your car title, bill of sale, or sensitive personal records like passports in your vehicle. These contain critical information that thieves could exploit to forge ownership or commit identity fraud. For example, a car title left in the glove box could enable a thief to sell your vehicle illegally. Instead, keep originals in a secure home safe and carry copies if needed, such as custody papers for adopted children during emergencies. This precaution ensures your personal and financial security while meeting legal requirements on the road. Staying organized and compliant in 2025. Carrying the right documents in 2025 is about more than avoiding fines. It's about driving with confidence. Organize your glove box with a dedicated folder for your license, RC, insurance, PUC certificate, and owner's manual. Use digital apps to streamline access and reduce clutter, but always cross-check local regulations to ensure compliance. Regularly update your documents to avoid expired licenses or lapsed insurance, which could derail your journey. By staying prepared, you'll navigate traffic stops, accidents, or roadside checks effortlessly, turning every drive into a worry-free adventure. So, before you rev up your engine, double-check your paperwork. It's your ticket to a smooth ride. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.